Okay, writing a function rule. We're going to cover writing a function rule for particularly linear functions. So you may have noticed that they have this type of form. Y equals some number times x, and then there's some other number that may or not be added at the end or subtracted, but it has this basic form. So when writing a function rule, keep in mind that the number in front of the x is going to be whatever that constant change is. And then this number would be our starting point. So, for example, when x is 0, whatever we have to begin with. So here's an example. There's a cell phone bill or cell phone plan. The cost is $25 to sign up, and then it's $60 per month. What's the function for the cost? So if we think about this, our cost is going to equal $25 plus $60 for 1 month, or 60 times 2 if it's 2 months, 60 times 3 if it's 3 months. So it's 60 times the number of months. So let's say 60m. And of course we could rearrange this. C equals $60 times the number of months plus that $25 startup fee. And we see that this relates very closely to y equals some number times x plus some number. So this is going to be the basic form for a linear function. So let's look at another one. A bank account has $200 in it. Every week, $20 is added to it. Write a function to represent the amount of money M in the bank account after W weeks. So the amount of money M is going to be equal to the starting amount, 200, plus the amount that gets added to it. $20 is added every week, so this is the constant rate of change. So 20 times the number of weeks that pass, W. So for example, after 8 weeks, we have the amount of money equals $200 plus 20 times the 8 weeks. So we would find that it's going to be 200 plus 160, $360. And if we want to see how much money would be in there after 20 weeks, we would use 20 for W. So M equals 200 plus $20 per week times 20. So we get 200 plus 400. It would be $600. That's right. So again, we see that our function here could be rewritten to be M equals 20W plus 20, and it again follows y equals some number times the x plus some number. So we just have the variable we're looking for with some number times the independent variable. In this case, it's weeks, plus the starting amount.